Hey guys, Billy Davidson here with Davidson Pressure Washing Painting. In this video, we're going to talk about cleaning a church metal roof. We're going to go over some do's and don'ts when cleaning metal roofs. These can be challenging, but they pay really good, so it's really worth the while to try to get some of these jobs. And I always tell people all the time that churches is a very unique market to go after. They're not exactly commercial work, but they're not exactly residential. They're somewhere in between. Over the years, I have gotten hundreds and hundreds of requests from guys just like you needing some help estimating commercial work. So I took the time to put together a very unique training course that you can find on BillyDavidsonVIP.com. Also, check out the description. There'll be some more information. This brand new course visits 6 separate commercial jobs, and I teach you exactly how to price each one out with a coordinating sample contract for each job. And as of right now, we have a free bonus video included within that course. There are a few things that you absolutely need to remember when cleaning a metal roof, especially a very large metal roof like this. This was approximately 7,500 square feet of metal roof. The first thing that you're going to have to remember is you're going to have to pre-wet way more than what you're expecting. If you are expecting to pre-wet for a certain amount of time, go ahead and double that and allocate that time and resources to that pre-wetting and post-wetting. It will come back to bite you if you don't do your pre-wetting extensively. We'll explain why here in a second. And make sure you stay towards the end of the video for an extra tip on cleaning metal roofs. One of the big downfalls of cleaning metal roofs is the following. Every drop of sodium hypochlorite that you spray on that metal roof immediately comes down into the gutter system if one is present, or straight onto the ground. Unlike a shingle roof, this metal roof sheds any soap or sodium hypochlorite instantly that you put on it. That means you're going to have an enormous amount of salt solution entering into the landscape area if that is present. So pre-wetting, continuous wetting, and post-wetting is a must. When you think you've done enough, go a little bit extra to protect yourself. The last thing we want is these people to call us back and tell us that we've killed every one of their plants even before the ink dries on the check. And I've personally never really been a fan of covering up plants and bushes with plastic tarping, just because you never know what's going on under that tarping. It could be overheating, and that also will kill the plants, or you could still be getting some of your bleach solution or salt solution on the plants and wouldn't know it because it's all covered up and you can't keep an eye on it. Just as if you would steam cook broccoli, you will steam cook all of these plants and bushes if you cover it up and not pay close attention to it. So I am of the mindset we will do wetting and dilution to help mitigate any damage to these plants versus tarping. Another thing to remember when cleaning metal roofs is you're going to use a much stronger solution concentration of sodium hypochlorite than if you were on a shingle roof. The reason is because, like we were talking before, this metal roof basically sheds every drop of sodium hypochlorite that you put on it instantly. So that lets you know you're not going to have much or any at all of dwell time. The roof does not stay wet very long versus if it was being shingled in more of a coarse texture. So usually 6% or less will clean a shingle roof just fine. Usually on a metal roof, you have to be around at 7 or either 8% sodium hypochlorite to get this metal cleaned properly. And oftentimes it takes several treatments of your sodium hypochlorite to achieve the proper level of cleaning. Many times on a shingle roof, 1 or 2 treatments is sufficient enough. Many times on a metal roof, it takes 3 or even sometimes the 4th treatment to achieve a proper cleaning. With that being said, more treatments that you apply to this roof means more risk that you have to the surrounding landscape and plant life, in addition to more sodium hypochlorite that you'll have to have on the job site. Usually it takes quite a bit more sodium hypochlorite to clean a metal roof than a shingle roof per square foot. And now I have an extra bonus tip or trick that may help your next roof cleaning job on a metal roof go much more efficient. Also, don't forget to check out BillyDavidsonVIP.com for the brand new course on estimating commercial jobs. For your last tip and trick on cleaning a metal roof, I feel that it is always best to spray this at a 45-degree angle. Don't stand straight in front of the metal roof and spray upwards at it. Stand off to one side, left or right. Using this technique ensures that your sodium hypochlorite will make contact with all the corrugated grooves on this metal roof, having a much more uniform and thorough cleaning. Again, guys, I'm Billy Davidson here with BillyDavidsonVIP.com. Thanks for watching us in this video. Please consider hitting that subscribe button. Leave us a like and leave a comment below, and we'll see you in the next video.